Die Männer und die Frauen. Guten Tag. Today we will discuss how the cell divisions, biological cell division, and their multiplication takes place. We have two terms. First is the frequency of cell division, and second is the number of cells divided. So these two factors are very important. While the first is fixed, the second, number of cells dividing, is very important when we are discussing the spread of any disease. So if we compare cell division with the nuclear fission, nuclear chain reaction, both are similar. In nuclear fission or nuclear chain reaction, we have multiplication of neutrons and division of fissioning atom. So in enzymic case, we can say the fissioning atom is the enzyme itself because it is going to divide. But in nuclear chain reaction, we know if we don't control the nuclear chain reaction, it will lead to a disaster. It will lead to a very severe explosion which will destroy the world. So similarly, we have enzyme synthesizing reactor which has its frequency and frequency of doubling and number of cells dividing. So it multiplies at the rate of 2 to the power n, as we have already discussed earlier, 2 to the power n. So if we start with 10 enzymes in our body, in next generation, which we call doubling time, it will become 2 to the power 10, which is equal to 1024. Everybody can do that. Everybody knows that. But if we fail to provide early remedy, it will explode in no time because it is exponential growth. It is just like I am having a snake bite and I am not provided with an antidote immediately. So the result is imminent. Everybody knows that. Similarly, we have to provide the vaccine for the antigen as early as possible because it is exponential. It is the frequency of cell division is not important. It is the number of cells dividing that is important. If you arrest early, number of cells dividing will be less. We have already lost enough time. We must develop the vaccine as early as possible. We have already lost on time and it has grown to a very great extent at present. So we must arrest at least as early as possible. Otherwise, it will lead to a disaster like a nuclear disaster. So we have to develop the vaccine as early as possible and provide it to the doctors. Second is we have to develop infrastructure to the number of patients. If it grows out of proportion, we cannot provide the infrastructure to handle this many patients. So we must first concentrate on developing the vaccine as early as possible. Second is the infrastructure, and third is the manpower to handle this disaster, possible disaster. Thank you very much.